Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar so you can organize your work hours, manage your team's availability, and stay on top of your professional life in 2026. Let's get into it. First, create a dedicated shift schedule calendar. The first step is separating your work shifts from your personal life by creating a distinct layer in your Google Calendar ecosystem. Open Google Calendar on your desktop. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to Other Calendars and click the plus icon, then select Create New Calendar. Name your calendar something clear like Work Shifts 2026 and assign it a bright, high-visibility color like red or orange. In 2026, calendar clutter is a major productivity killer. By creating a dedicated calendar for your rotations, you can toggle the entire schedule on or off with one click. This keeps your main view clean while ensuring your work hours are easily identifiable at a glance. Next, input your first base shift. Before you can create a rotation, you need to establish the primary building block of your schedule. Click on the start date of your rotation and select the specific time slot for your shift, like 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Type in the title, such as Day Shift, and make sure you select your newly created Work Shifts 2026 calendar from the drop-down menu at the bottom of the event window. This is the anchor phase. In 2026, Google's AI features use this initial entry to predict your upcoming availability. Ensuring the time and calendar selection are correct here prevents errors from duplicating throughout your entire year-long rotation. Lastly, configure the custom recurrence, the rotation. This is the most important step where you turn a single event into a repeating cycle that matches your specific work pattern. Within the Event Edit window, click on Does Not Repeat to open the Recurrence menu and select Custom. If you work 4 days on, 2 days off, set the frequency to Repeat every 1 week and select the specific days, or use the Daily option to set a specific day count interval. Most shift work in 2026 doesn't follow a standard Monday through Friday pattern. The custom tool allows you to build complex rotations like 2-2-3 schedules or bi-weekly swaps without manually entering every single day. This automation ensures your calendar remains accurate months into the future. And that's pretty much it. To set up your shift rotations in 2026, start by creating a dedicated work calendar, input your base shift times, and use the custom recurrence tool to automate the pattern. Apply color codes for different shift types and share the calendar with your inner circle to ensure you never miss a beat. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.